Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to get rid of cockroaches at home in just 2 minutes. So friends, I will share a simple trick to get rid of cockroaches at home. So let's start the video. We need some ingredients to this mixture. Our first ingredient is Dettol. We need take a bowl and some Dettol add in it. Next ingredient is baking soda. Baking soda is most important to get rid of cockroaches. We will add 1 teaspoon of baking soda in it. After adding two things, we will mix it well. And then we need a lemon. Lemon is most important to kill the cockroaches at home. We need the lemon cut into 2 pieces. And we will add lemon juice in it. After adding the lemon juice, we will mix it very well. After mixing it, we will add some water in it. After adding these things, we will mix it very well. Then we need a spray bottle and then all the drink mixture add in the spray bottle. So friends, our home remedy to killing the cockroaches are ready. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much. If you have any question about in this video, please you ask me in comment section. Thank you so much.